viewers, welcome to EQ International Magazine, India's oldest and leading solar media. And today we have Mr. Manish Gupta with us from INA Solar. A very warm welcome to EQ, sir.
Thank you, EQ team.
Sir, can you just let us know about INA Solar? As we all know, like you are serving in the solar industry for many years. So it's been how many years you are there in the solar industry and how the journey started?
Insulation Energy founded in year 2016 and we started our manufacturing in the year 2017 with a capacity of 50 megawatt that time, and gradually year on year we increase our capacity. Right now Insulation Energy is one of the biggest manufacturer in the North India. Right now we have 1 gigawatt of the manufacturing capacity of the solar panels, and we are upcoming with our third unit with a capacity of 3 gigawatt of the solar panel and 10,000 metric ton of the aluminum frame. And later we are also upcoming with the solar cell line, which we are integrated a complex, a very gigawatt complex for solar panel and solar cell. In next 2 to 3 years, Insulation Energy should be increase our solar panel manufacturing capacity to 6 gigawatt, solar cell capacity to 3 gigawatt, and aluminum frame capacity to 24,000 metric ton annual capacity. We are now one of the leading solar panel manufacturer. Our brand is very much recognized throughout the India in each and every sector, including government sector. So we think that this journey which we are doing our work right now in the Indian market should be maintained the same, or we will also increase our capacity, everything reach India and abroad market also.
That's great, sir. And if you talk about the REI 2024 this year, so any new launches or any new projects you have come up this year, or anything in pipeline for 2025?
We are launching our new TopCon solar panel glass to glass, which is we have capacity to manufacture up to 630 watt of the solar panel, and in next means this end of this year and next financial year we are also coming Insulation Energy with our new arm, the sister company, that is Insulation Green Infra Private Limited company, where we are starting we are coming with the EPC market, we are coming with the power projects market, and we are coming in the rooftop segment in company. And very soon we will started our third unit within next 6 months, so where we started our new manufacturing line with the solar panel and aluminum frame also.
That's great, sir. Related to that, like if you can just share the distribution plan and what are the strategies and target for 2025?
We have already our distributor segment very good. We are having North India very good presence in the Rajasthan, Delhi, NCR, Haryana, UP, MP, and these states. We are also increasing our arm right now to from this state to means center of the India and the south side of the India. So we are also expanding. We are expanding our team also in all segments: sales team, marketing team, and technical team also. So in next we say if next year we are planning to double of our top line, mean our means market capitalization also, and our target also for as a turnover. We are planning in year 2024 means FY25. Our target for top line is 1400 crore rupees, and for FY26 our target for top line is 3000 plus crore rupees. So we are expanding like that. We are expanding in all segment.
That's great, sir. And if we talk about the business financial year, so how was it for INA Solar?
This last year also good. We double our capacity last year, and this year also. Last year, as far as we as a company we chose, we closed our financial around 741 crore of the turnover, and this year we cross more than 1200 crore, that we are sure. And in half yearly also we reach up to 625 crore rupees of the turnover of this half yearly. So this financial year FY25 Insulation will cross 1200 crore rupees mark of the turnover.
That's great, sir. And if we talk about particularly the Indian solar market, so how it looks like to you for 24-25, as we can see the like with the this year REI, so the awareness is very much among the residential users as well. So what do you like to say about it?
Yeah, definitely the reach is also increasing with Pradhan Mantri Suryodaya Yojana, with Kusum component ABC, and this all I think the market is increasing. People also aware with the solar industry, people also aware with the solar sector, and government also focus on this sector. So So I think in future solar is growing as sun is growing.
Very true, sir. And lastly, I would like to ask, there are a lot of opportunities as well as challenges we get in the industry. So whether it's solar industry or any of the industry, but if we talk about solar industry itself, so how you how it sees.
The challenges also we are facing, if there is any change in government policy or there any change in advancement technology of this solar panel manufacturing, these two challenges definitely we have. Otherwise we don't think any challenge. Right now the finance market, right now the opportunities or we can demand is available in the market. Only these two challenges in the market which we can face in the future.
That's great. So thank you so much, sir. Thanks a lot for being with us.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, team.